This is Astrid with Kanen Coffee, and I've got this ECM Mechanika here. So I gave this machine an overhaul. There were some valves inside of the E61 group head that were pretty shaven down. Hopefully you can see that here. It's a little bit hard to show. We have this one here, a few other ones, and then I replaced the gaskets. And the screen actually didn't need to be replaced. It was really clean, really new, so I didn't do anything to that. But I did descale the boiler with descaling solution, ran clean water through afterwards to rinse all of that out, and then backflushed the group head and deep cleaned the steam wand here. So I'm just going to pull a test shot to show that everything's working. This is just our test coffee, so it's not perfectly calibrated to this machine. So you might see the shot run a little fast. But you can still see the 9 bars there. And the crema on top. And I'll show you the water. And the steam. Alright, that's about it for this video. Thanks for watching.